types of heat, sensible heat and latent heat, then specific heat, heat capacity, heat of combustion, heat of formation, and Hess law of constant heat of summation. Then heat of reaction, heat of dilution and dissolution. These things will be studied in this last chapter. Then now see the different forms of energy. What do you mean by energy? Energy is the capacity or the ability of a body to do work. Energy is a capacity, ability of a body to do work. Okay. The forms of energy can be classified as the forms which are related to the system, and which include energy possessed by material of the system, that is kinetic energy, potential energy, flow or pressure energy, internal energy, surface energy, and magnetic energy. And the energy which is associated with the process and which include the heat or work, heat and work. This is also one form of energy. So, you know the different forms of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy, pressure energy, internal energy, surface energy, and magnetic energy. And other form is nothing but the heat and work. Definition of kinetic energy is given: the energy of a substance or a body possessed by virtue of its motion relative to some reference plane. बरोबर? म्हणजे जर एखादी पॅक्ड बॉडी असेल आणि त्या पॅक्ड बॉडीमध्ये जर खूप मॉलिक्युल्स वगैरे असतील, ॲटम्स असतील, तर ते जेव्हा एकमेकांमध्ये ज्यांचं जे मोशन चालतं, दॅट इज द कायनेटिक एनर्जी. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ऑफ ए सबस्टन्स possesses by virtue of its position in relation to some datum plane. बरोबर? म्हणजे पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ही त्याच्या लेवलनुसार असू शकते, त्याची पोझिशननुसार असू शकते. आणि कायनेटिक एनर्जी आणि पोटेन्शियल एनर्जीची जर आपण एकत्र केलं, सम केली, तर त्याला आपण मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी ऑफ द बॉडी म्हणू शकतो. देन प्रेशर एनर्जी, द एनर्जी ऑफ ए सबस्टन्स possesses by virtue of the space it occupies. It is the product of pressure and volume and is associated with flowing streams under pressure. Then the internal energy, the energy of a substance possesses by virtue of the relative positions and motion of its molecule. मग heat बघा, heat is the energy in transit between a hot source and a cold receiver. Hot source and a cold receiver. Then heat is that form of energy which flows as the result of temperature difference. The driving force that produces a transfer of internal energy is termed as temperature, and a form of energy which is a transfer from a hot body to a cold body as a result of difference in temperature is termed as a heat. So the heat is defined here. Again, the temperature is also defined here. Now the work. See, the work, actually in mechanics, work done by a body is defined as the product of force and the distance moved by the body in the direction of applied force. W is equal to Fs. All you know the formula. W is equal to Fs. F is the force and S is the distance moved by the body in the direction of applied force. And it is that form of energy which flows as a result of driving force, a force, a torque, or a voltage. For example, if steam in a cylinder expands and moves a piston against a restraining force, the steam does work on the piston. The exchange of energy between the system and the surrounding occurs either as a heat or work. These forms of energy are dependent on the process. Again, the heat is considered to be positive when it is transferred from the surrounding to the system. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण सिस्टीम मध्ये हीट ऍड करतो तर तिला आपण पॉझिटिव्ह कन्सिडर करूया. अँड इफ वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टीम इज कन्सिडर टू बी पॉझिटिव्ह. जर सिस्टीमने वर्क डन केलं तर ते पण पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणूया. वर्कचं युनिट आहे जूल, त्याला आपण न्यूटन मीटर म्हणूया. अर्ग डाइन सेंटीमीटर म्हणूया, और फूट पाउंडल LBF feet. Then industrially, thermal energy or electrical energy is produced by the combustion of solid, liquid and the gaseous fuel. One has to be very cautious during the production and utilization of energy, as its wastage leads to reduced profit. So the energy requirement of a process can be calculated by making energy balance over the entire process in much the same way as we write the material balance. म्हणजे आपण जसं material balance केलं ना, in the same way we'll do the energy balance. An energy balance of a system accounts for the total amount of energy entering, leaving and accumulated within the system. बरोबर. म्हणजे जर एखादं रिएक्टर घेतलं तुम्ही, एक रिएक्टर ऍझ्युम करा की रिएक्टर मध्ये जी एनर्जी मध्ये येते, जी एनर्जी बाहेर जाते आणि जी एनर्जी रिएक्टर मध्ये स्वतः अक्युमुलेट होते, या सगळ्यांचं जे बॅलन्सिंग करायचं, दॅट इज द एनर्जी बॅलन्स. सो द हीट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी that flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. Heat is a form of energy that flows from a higher temperature to lower temperature. The units of heat in SI, MKS, CGS system are joule, kilocalorie and calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. 1 calorie is equal to 4.1868 joule. आणि कॅलरीचं डेफिनेशन पण सोपी आहे. क्वांटिटी ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ 1 gram ऑफ वॉटर बाय 1 degree Celsius इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ 15 degree Celsius, म्हणजे नॉर्मल टेम्परेचरला. सो एनर्जी, एन्थाल्पी अँड हीट आर यूज फॉर थर्मल एनर्जी. नंतरचा सगळ्यात महत्वाचा लॉ म्हणजे लॉ ऑफ कॉन्झर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी.